Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about this week's storm systems. So today we have a little snow and rain system move through Tennessee, Kentucky, and the Midwest. You can see that snow and the rain moving through the south. And into tomorrow, that will still be going on, and places in Florida could have some showers. It goes all the way down to Miami, and then it just goes out onto the ocean. And then we'll have this strong clipper system up here moving through, and it will send a few inches of snow for this whole area, as I'll show you in a minute. Then by Monday of next week, we could have another system, and this is Sunday. This is in 2 weeks, so this is very uncertain, but we could have a possible nor'easter, and then that's as far out as it goes. Now here's the European model, which is showing the storm system later today, but it's not showing as much snow, and then it moves down through Florida. Then we have that clipper system come through with dropping the snow in the Midwest, and that's really it all week. Now here's the NAM 3 kilometer. This is just for today. So we have a little bit of rain showers down in Arkansas, Louisiana, and Texas. And they'll kind of get a little bit more rainy instead of just a little small things. And there'll be snow up in West Virginia, Ohio, and Indiana. And we could have some snow showers in southern Kentucky, but that rain's going to move down into Florida, and that's as far out as it can go. Total snowfall. I'm on the GFS model right now. I'm going to go out, let's just go about 96 hours right here. So we could have a good 9 to 12 inches in West Virginia, and the eastern half of Kentucky could have 1 to 4 inches with isolated spots with higher totals. North Carolina could see a little bit. Northern Tennessee could maybe see a dusting, but not very much. And this is, you can just look at it and see where you are. Model. Here's the European model. I'm 96 hours out on it as well. So it's showing some snow that I didn't actually see on its model, but it's saying there could be snow as far south as Alabama, just a little dusting. And almost all of Tennessee could see a dusting according to this. But all of Kentucky could have 1 to 2 inches with isolated higher spots, and all of West Virginia could get about 2 to 6 inches. This is as far out as the NAM 3 kilometer can go, 60 hours, but it's showing we could have a dusting of snow in almost all of Tennessee, all of Kentucky, and 2 to 4 inches in all of West Virginia, and a dusting in all of Virginia. So right now we have some much below average temperatures in all of the eastern part of the U.S. This is not the actual temperatures. This is how far below average it is. So we're tomorrow we could have a little bit of a cold blast come through, sending temperatures down into the possibly -20 in Pennsylvania. And it's going to sink down south, and all of the East Coast could be pretty well below average. And even places in Florida could be in the 40s. And then we're going to have a little bit of a warming trend. Not up here, but this warm air over here is going to start trying to move over, as you can see. And then we're going to have actually possibly starting to have some severe weather. And this is as far out as it can go. Now for the second half of this video, I'm going to do a little bit of Forecast Master, because it seemed like on the video I posted yesterday, y'all liked it pretty well. Okay, this event takes place in March. I'm only going to do 1 or 2 rounds. So it's looking like it's going to be the south. Oh wait, I can't go through it. Let's look at the shear. There's a good amount of it up here. What's the Cape looking like? It's looking like it's going to be in this general area. Yeah. Let's look at Supercell Composite. Yeah, I think I'm going to go for Tennessee. Yeah, like right up here. I'm just going through this now, and I have no clue what all this is, and I just know that the higher the numbers, probably the better. Now, let's go right here in Tennessee. Confirm target. Now submit. I got an A. Wow. So there was a enhanced risk, but there was hardly any tornadoes in the enhanced risk. There was almost a tornado outside of the risk completely. I remember this day. No, I don't. Never mind. We had an event like this in March one time. This may actually be it. EF4 rating. They went through Nashville, and then I don't know. It may be it. Let's see, what was this one? Max wind 90 miles per hour. Okay. Where was the EF4 at? Must have been up here. Okay, well, oh wow. There was only a 5% tornado risk? Wow. Okay, let's play another round. Also in March. So, about the same dew points. It's gonna be a deep south day. Let's look at the SRH. Yeah, I'm almost already ready to place my target. Let's look at the Cape real quick. Yeah, I'm placing my target. Let's go right here. Confirm target. Submit. I didn't do very well. Wait, what? Huh? Wow. Okay. Wasn't expecting that one. Let's play one more round. May. Okay, so it's looking like it's gonna be in Texas or Louisiana or Arkansas, but it could be in all of this colored area. What's the Cape looking like? There's a pretty good amount of Cape. A lot of room to mess up, but it's looking like possibly Oklahoma. Quit going through all this stuff I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. What's the SRH? I think I'm going to go for eastern Oklahoma. Or maybe southern Oklahoma. Yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and place target. Let's go right here. Confirm target. Submit. Wow. I did not expect that one. May 2025. Oh, that was last year. I remember this. There was that tornado that went all the way through Somerset and London, and I was awake until that That storm started back here and tracked over 400 miles, and it carried with it like 20 tornado warnings and a few tornado emergencies, I believe. There was almost an EF5 that day. Wow. Let's play one more round. Oh, and by the way, look at the tornado thing. Tornado risk. One more round. March. Okay, not an insane amount of dew points. Shear. There's a good amount of shear up in Colorado. SRH. I don't know. Let's see. Ooh, it's looking like it's going to be an Oklahoma day. Yeah, I'm going central Oklahoma. Right smack dab in the middle. Wow. This was a long time ago. March 30th, 2006. They didn't even have an enhanced risk back then. There were 26 tornado reports. And look at what their things looked like back then. There was a 15% tornado risk, though. Don't know if it was hatched. Thanks for watching. And if you don't mind, please like and subscribe, because my February subscriber goal is 175, and I think we could get there if we try. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.